Hi guys, good morning.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Shanice and it's your girl Manice. And where are we headed today? We're going to the beach. I don't know exactly which one we're going to, but we're going to the beach. Ready?
Hi guys, good morning. I'm having my garlic and oregano tea.
Okay. Guys, this is our mom. Ooh. Everybody say hi, Mom.
And I say hi.
Doesn't start her morning without teas, guys. Teas are must, okay?
She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a nut. And she said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a nut. I'm a dog, I'm a nut. I get smoked already, so hard in my blood is.
Alright guys, so we never bothered to go to Puerto Rico. We're gonna go to Mahogany Beach instead. It looked like it's gonna rain, and yeah, there wasn't much to do in Puerto Rico, so we're gonna go somewhere else. Guys, look at the scenery, it looks so nice, so beautiful. The bus stop, road around everything, really good.
She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a nut. And she said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a nut. I'm a dog, I'm a nut. I get smoked already, so hard in my blood is. I see guys' pretty faces, so I.
Guys, I'm here looking for my phone. But I realized she had a phone there. But we are here at Mahogany Beach. We're gonna get ready to go inside, and I have my beach bag on deck. Can I bag this?
Yeah, you're seeing more there. But yeah, we are going to do today.
Get some swimming in, everything like
Yeah,
that.
you go tubing. What you doing?
I'm gonna try to do the glass door boat.
They have that here?
I think so.
Oh, okay.
And maybe possibly see if we can try tubing again. That would be fun. I would want to do it again. Or I also want to do parasailing, but no.
Crazy, we not do it again, people.
Want to do the parasailing?
We not parasail, right? We not parasail. You have to go come with somebody else. You have to parasail, bro. Seriously.
Vlog.
Hi, vlog.
How do you feel about this water, yeah? How you feel about the water?
Great. Wow, such a vibe.
She don't like it because the water stinks. Guys, she refused to come out here because she said she saw a fish in the water. Look at her face. She's very upset. She said fish in the water. Alright, y'all, so we are out here swing. As you guys can see, I'm not trimming because my cap is a foot, but she is trimming. She's good twin. She said that there's fish in here. I don't see no fish in here. There's fish. All I know is I'm having a good time. There's fish. They were swimming in a heck. I'm like, what the heck? But we're trying to get on the glass bottom boat, so someone's getting us info. Look here, what a disappointment. We didn't bother to go. We wanted to do the glass bottom boat, but pure rain. Look, people still are dance and have a good time anyways. Guys, we're leaving. The rain gets us. The rain catch me. The rain catch me. We're out. But they... Take home. This is the mango trees, guys. Mango trees. How did you guys like the trip?
Yeah, it was good.
Oh,
We had a little fun.
okay. How did you like it, Uki? What did you do?
I sat on the chair all to the time.
Okay. How did you like it, Marco? What did you do? Nothing? Seriously?
Counting girls.
Oh, you like it, Renice? Did you like? What did you do?
I swam in the water.
Really? You didn't do anything else? Did you enjoy the water?
No,
Why? How come?
it smelled bad and there was fishes.
Oh wow. Maybe next time around. To the J&N shop, guys. Are you so? Oh, thank you. Oh, it closed. Oh my gosh. All right, never mind. It closed. This looks so. This is. No, that's kind of too far. This is so cute, Rennie. I think I would have bought that. It looks so cute. Alright guys, we are headed out. Cactus.
Yes.
Yes, we're headed out. We're looking at the cactus. We're gonna go somewhere else. Don't know where yet. But I'm dying to go to the jerk center. But I will keep you guys updated as we move forward.
Yeah, sweet.
What is this?
Sweet sop.
Sweet sop. Oh, it looks good. Wow, beautiful. Yeah, them already. Oh, this one is so small. Alright guys, so we stopped and we took a little break and we're about to eat. Show them what to eat. Fried chicken, corned beef sandwich, and ketchup. Show them what to eat in these. Let me see your plate. Yeah man, your plate look good. Look nice. Fit you man. Tastes good?
Yeah, it tastes good.
Try with the Chick-fil-A sauce.
You guys already know I love Chick-fil-A sauce.
You're just big man.
She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. And she said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I can smoke already so hard in my blunt is. I see that's pretty face.
Alright guys, I'm canning your ear. Alright guys, so we made it back home and I'm having my jerk chicken and jerk pork. And I'm gonna bring you guys to Renee's real quick. How do you like the food?
Feels good, man.
Really? Let me see your plate. It's like you're almost done. And you're having, what you're having it, the bag juice?
Bad juice, yeah.
Okay. Say like, comment, subscribe.
Make sure I like, comment, share, subscribe, and say hi to my niece.
Say hi, Chin.
Hi.
Brittany, say hi.
Hi.
Just catch you guys in the next video.
Yeah.